All right, good morning, everybody. Time now, 6:20. Looking back again at yesterday's record highs. Look at this. Lexington set a new record of 81. So did Frankfort. Jackson tied the record of 80. London also tied their record of 79 degrees there. So it was unseasonably warm, clearly well above average for this time of the year. And this morning, same story, okay? We're upper 60s to now near 70 degrees. We've dropped a couple of degrees here in Lexington, but you can already start to see the cooler air. Not reflected with numbers, but look at the shades on the map. When you go from these warmer colors of oranges and you go to shades of blue in Indiana, that's some cooler air, 50s that are coming our way. Not a lot of rain, and we were not expecting much. We talked about it with the front. Initially, it would be some sprinkles, maybe a spotty shower coming through this morning. Here's what we've got. We go into eastern parts of Scott County, so this is going to be up toward Leestown. This is going to be back off well to the north of Newtown here, or Leesburg, I should say, and back over west of Georgetown, maybe some sprinkles, all right? Run into some sprinkles or light showers in Jackson County, back down through parts of Pulaski, but it's nothing more than that, okay? And that keeps moving east with the front. Up at Paris right now, it's a dry start to the day here. A little bit of traffic, no fog. Wind, though, it's quite breezy. We talked about that, and that wind stays with us. It's going to turn out of the west and northwest now that this front's moving through. We watched, though, some clearing back in western Indiana and Illinois. That clearing line actually gets here, but it's going to be moving back in the cloud cover well. Look at the difference here. 51 Indianapolis, 55 Evansville, and 58 in Paducah. So it's coming. It's just going to take a few more hours for our temperatures to drop. We likely settle back down into the lower, let's say low 60s, maybe at that low as we get late morning. Then once the clearing line comes back in, we're going to spike back up with some sunshine into the middle, maybe even upper 60s before the cooler air really wins out into the evening. Shower chances at 8 o'clock tonight are small, but they're there in southern Kentucky. That's where it'll start. And then you see the waves of showers start lifting north as we head overnight into, for sure, first half of Friday. Tomorrow will be, though, a cool day, even in the wake of that. And then heading into Saturday, Saturday's also going to be a cool day, more typical for November. Few showers around today, temperatures falling. All right, so we're at 70 now. We're going to fall, and we'll be likely low to mid 60s into the afternoon. Maybe still some upper 60s in southeast Kentucky. Showers around tomorrow. Cool temperatures, though, will really be the name of the game from Friday all the way even into next week, but more typical. This is more average. We warm back up to the low 60s into the start of next week, but the culprit here, or the main takeaway, is, guys, we just don't have a lot of rain. Somebody in southeast Kentucky may end up with a quarter of an inch or a little bit more by the time it's over tomorrow.